There was a sight to see on the water today as a massive dredging ship cruised into Darwin harbour. The floating mechanical beast will create the shipping channel required for the INPEX gas project.
Dawn over Darwin as the Athena floats majestically into the harbour, the place it'll call home for the next 2 years. The cutter suction dredger is the largest in the world and will carry out the major dredging works for INPEX's ICFIS project.
It's a visible sign that yes, this is a world-class project because we're using world-class equipment on it.
Dutch company Oord was awarded the multi-million-dollar contract for the dredging works to deepen the shipping channel to enable LNG carrier ships easy passage into the harbour to Bladen Point.
Ships like this cost hundreds of millions of dollars to contract and come and do this kind of work, and we're spending an enormous amount of money ensuring that our dredging program is done in the most environmentally friendly manner.
Measuring the length of an AFL ground and at least double the size of the smaller dredges, the presence of the Athena is quite impressive, and at the cost of around $300 million to hire, she doesn't come cheap.
While the Athena won't begin dredging for a week or so, smaller machines, the backhoe dredgers or floating excavators, have already started removing loose rock and sediment from shallow areas. The dredge material is then loaded onto barges and transported to an approved area to deposit 12 kilometres off Lee Point. There is some community concern the whole process will ruin our pristine harbour and wildlife and murky the water by stirring up fine sediment on the seafloor. But INPEX says it's carried out extensive mapping of the seabed in the areas and is confident impact to marine life and the environment will be minor, and most is expected to recover.
We have a very flexible and adaptive environmental monitoring program. We have instant feedback with automatic world-class data loggers already in the harbour, letting us know how all of the sensitive monitoring aspects are going. We can adjust our program on the spot and are very prepared to do so.
Those on the water are asked to take extra care now that this next phase of the project is underway. The Athena begins dredging next Thursday. Kathleen Bruin, 9 News.